Alright guys, welcome back. Today had a beautiful day after work, and I said let me just wash up my car after all the rain. As I was washing, I had the idea, well, you know what, I want to do something with my wheels. I'm gonna coat them. Actually, I was looking for my coating wax. I don't know where that's at, but I said, well, since I can't find that, let's go with something even better. Let's do the graphene coating from McKee's 37. That's in new higher end coating, better than the SiO2, and this one is for the wheels. So I went ahead and I prepped the wheels. How did I prep them? I used the extreme iron remover. So you go ahead and first you wash your car, wash your wheels, use the iron remover. It gets out all the iron particles and contamination in there. Finish everything, dry it off, rinse it, dry it off, and then get panel prep. McKee's has prep spray, but I think I'm out of that. So the next best one that I got over here is DIY panel prep. And you're gonna go ahead and spray that on all the surfaces that you're gonna coat. Spray it on, wipe it off, and then you're ready to go. So I'm at that point right now, and I'll show you how this works. Okay guys, so I opened the kit up. The Graphene Wheel Coating is a bottle like this. Comes inside there. I got a kit, so it comes with an applicator block and a towel. And what I want to tell you is, before this, the important steps, like the extreme iron remover, you know, gets that contamination out of the wheels. But also, the reason why we panel prep is gets anything left over, any residuals that were on there, off there, because we want this product, the coating, to stick. And let me show you the towel. Even though I thought I had cleaned the wheels pretty good, you can still see a little bit of dirt as I got inside the grooves, and really good. So, you know, it's just another prep step, panel prep. So anyway, very important. So we've got our bottle. Let's get our applicator, and let me get some gloves on. Guys, if you want any of these products, go to autoforge.net. Let me get the gloves and we'll go out there and we'll do this. It's very easy. All right, guys, I got you set up here. We've got the two products. Give this a good shake. This is a brand new bottle. We're gonna get it. You're gonna use the red side here. I'm just gonna pour some on there. I'll put a good amount. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring you in close here. And I was using this pad, but I went ahead and grabbed this one because the other one's just a little bit too big. So this will work even better for me. And you can use whatever you like. All right, and I'll show you up close how this applies on. And I like to try to spread it on the real quick, get it spread out there. And then I go back over them. It was kind of hard with the bigger one there, applicator. This little bit more malleable. It's gonna fit inside these things better. Very often. Now let's take a look all the way around. It's nice. Look for any missed spots. And take a look. This is what the non-applied so far to the surface looks like. So you can see it gets shinier as you apply it. Doesn't mean it's going to stay shiny. I'm going to give it a few minutes and then I'll take it off. All right, well, I'm waiting for the other wheel. Let's see how long it takes me to do this whole wheel. And I'm going to do it real quick. I'm going to spread it. I'm going to go in and out. I'll hit all the outside of the faces there. Get a little bit more here. Let's wipe that on there. All right, then I'm just gonna go over every little area one more time. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Like I say, I like it thick. Lay it down. Guys, you know what I'm thinking? You want to see what happens if I just don't take it off and I leave it on there? Is it going to stay shiny? Is it going to be real hydrophobic? I'm going to do that. I'm just going to leave it on there. It lays down in a nice layer, so looks good on my wheels. You may have a different experience, so I don't say for you to do this. I don't say for you not to do it. Follow directions. I'm going to do this, and let's just see what happens. Super protection, huh? All right, guys, so I just finished laying down one thick layer, the Graphene Wheel Coating from McKee's 37 on all 4 tires. You wait about 2 minutes or until you see some flashing, and you just wipe it off with the towel. In my case, I'm leaving it on there. It just looks so good. It's nice and shiny. It almost looks like it glossed up these wheels. Now, I went and did all 4 of them like that. I'm not saying you should do this, but you know. Now, my other question is, am I gonna wait an hour and come back out here and do a second layer? I don't know, but they look really, really good. And I've used this before. I think I used their SiO2, not their graphene one, but their SiO2. And yeah, the stuff lasts a long time. It's very good. And, you know, I just top it every once in a while with something like a Hydro 2, which is a spray and rinse type of sealant. But, you know, this is very good for your wheels anyway on its own as a nice base. And very easy to prep them. So, guys, hope you like the video here. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. You can go to autoforge.net and get your graphene coatings. They have them for paint, trim, I think, wheels, all kinds of stuff over at autoforge.net. So check them out over there. And let me think about what I'm going to do here. If I'm going to do 2 layers or just let this go. All right, guys, it's been about 45 minutes. It's starting to get dark, and I decided I like this look so much. It looks so good. I'm gonna apply a second coat. All right, so I'm on my second coat here. I'm just starting it, and I've put more liquid in the bottle, and I'm just gonna go about it the same way. I'm gonna spread it out. And then I'm gonna go over each individual, inside and out, and I'm just gonna work my way into it. So I'm not gonna drag you guys through this whole thing. I'm just letting you know what's going on here, and I'll show you in a second when I'm done. All right, guys, so I finished it up. It looks fantastic. I don't know how long they'll stay this way, but you know, I can't wait to see how they come out over the next 2 weeks from now when I wash it. I want to see the hydrophobics and how this degrades, how this shine. I like shiny stuff. I like my tires shiny. I know some of you guys don't. If you don't like shiny, you'll want to wipe this stuff off. Let me show you how this looks. 2 coats. right, guys, it's the next morning, and I'm going to show you what 2 coats of the graphene wheel coating looks like. Let's take a look. It's amazing. All right, guys, so there you have it. I love it. I love the look of it. Fantastic. Now we gotta wait to wash them and see how hydrophobic they are. For sure it's just gonna fly off.